Hey everyone, welcome back to Odis Acres, episode 3. So today we're going to go on a little trip to Lowe's and we're going to pick up a AgriFab mulcher, the one that you hook up to your lawn tractor. Mulches all the grass you cut, so we're going to start using that to collect our grass clippings and store it away and mulch it up to start using as fertilizer. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take you on a little trip with us to Lowe's. Hope you enjoy. All right, guys, we arrived. About to go in here and see what's up about getting this thing. I'll show you what it looks like. I don't know. We'll update you in a minute. It's all loaded up, ready to roll. We'll see y'all at the house. Got it unloaded. About to go hook the lawnmower up to it, drag it over there, see what's up. Hey girl, what you doing, girl? Hey girl, what you good girl? Hauling it away. It's not hooked up to the lawnmower yet to suck anything up, but just hauling it away right now. I'm gonna go air up the tires and then start getting it hooked up. So my little Lila girl, she's a little basset hound. She likes being outside. She's fun. I took her out to use the bathroom, so we're just out here following around. All right, after many hours later, the AgriFab is hooked up, connected, and ready to roll. We're not gonna use it until tomorrow. He's gonna go get gas in the morning. He's gonna test it out in the morning on the yard, but it's ready to roll, and here's what it looks like. All hooked up, hose ready to roll. Up to the lawnmower. All right, and that's that. It's been a fun day. Took a while, but got it going. Excited to see what it looks like tomorrow, how well it does. Pretty sure it's gonna be pretty awesome. But like I said, we're gonna be using all this mulch and the grass clippings and storing it and burning out all the seeds for months and just letting it sit. And that's what we're gonna start using to plant our raised beds in and fertilize the gardens, and should save a lot of money in the long run. So should be pretty cool. So thanks for watching today, guys. Oh, and I got one more thing I want to show you. I have my garden and I had my pumpkins growing. Was looking the other day, everything's growing pretty well. Looks green, looks healthy. I have a few giant pumpkin plants though planted I told you about, and at the very end it's a pretty big one. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, show you the progress. While we're walking out here, might as well check on my tomato plants, see how well they're doing. They look pretty healthy. I think grass is getting kind of crazy out here, so I'm about to have to come out here and trim a little bit of the grass up. But here's what my tomato plants are looking like now. They're growing. Grass is crazy, like I said, but some everywhere. Some of them can't see really, but there is going to be a lot of tomatoes. There's like 4 right there. There's 3 over in there. This grass is getting crazy, as you can see, but I've tried to keep it out from around the actual plant. Some there, like 5, 6 over there. So some of the tomatoes are getting close to being ready. Pumpkin plants look green, look healthy. There's one of them. It's pretty big actually. That's the second biggest one. But there's actually a ton of them growing. There's a small one here. But this is the big one already up in there. This is also my biggest plant. Look how much this thing has spread. It's gotten huge. But way up in here, this monster pumpkin already massive. Okay, it is big. Little size comparison to my hand. It is pretty massive already. And that is my giant pumpkin plant. Little progress. Didn't expect it to be that big already, but let's check back in a week or so and we'll follow along and see how big that thing gets before it's ready to pick this, whenever they're done. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you like and enjoy this, like and subscribe to my page. Follow me on YouTube, and let's go on. Let's finish this journey. Let's have fun. All right, have a good day. Peace out.